Okay, so we've done our pulled pork dinner today. We're going to just go over what we did. The pork butt is the cut of meat we used. We used a cap off, a very thin layer of fat. We used our smoker. We used blackjack oak. We soaked it in water to get a longer life out of our wood. Then we cooked it for about 8 hours up to 180 degrees. Then we took it out and we cooked it again in our convection oven for another 24 hours at 200 degrees. Then we took it out and we removed the bone, pulled the meat, got it chopped pretty fine. We actually didn't chop it at all, we pulled it. Remember, there's a difference between chopped and pulled. We sauced the meat, then we steamed it to make, you can hold it, make sure if you're going to hold it or reheat it, that you put water and sauce at the bottom of the pan. You can reheat it at about 200, 225 degrees. You want to create, again, a steam effect. We used it as a dinner, we did it as a sandwich, and you can hold it up to 5 days, 7 at the very latest.